Ah, shoosh. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel where we help people live a sustainable lifestyle. Today on this channel we're going to be mending. Yes, we're going to be mending the cuffs on your sweater here. So have you ever had a sweater like this where like the cuffs, like you love your sweater so much that you keep wearing it until you wear it out and the cuffs look like this, right? So in this video, we're going to learn how to mend the rips here, or the tears on your cuffs. Okay, so what you need, oh no, I'm tired. Oh, what you need in this video is your sweater, obviously, that with your cuffs, your sweater that needs mending, thread. It doesn't have to match your fabric or your garment. I'm just saying this now because I'm actually gonna do white on here. It's going to be, this is a hand sewing tutorial. So see, because there's white on the sweater as well, I'm actually gonna use this white thread. And I'm suggesting, I think this is the best type of thread that you should use, is like either like a crafting cord or like a denim thread, like something thicker than a regular all-purpose polyester thread. So then, because we have a thicker thread, you're gonna have to use a thicker needle. So a darning needle. This is my darning needle. See, like the hole is a little bit bigger there, right? And the needle itself is thicker, okay? And then you're gonna need some scissors, some snips here, or just regular scissors, doesn't matter. And that's it, my friends and family. Okay, so first thing you wanna do is cut and thread your needle. And we're not double threading it, we're just using just having a little tail there, right? And the thread is going to be about 2 arms length, okay? That's how long your thread is. And really, we only need it to go like all the way around the cuff once. And it's easier that way, and then you can just like cut some more thread after, because then we're gonna go back. But to begin, you can just start like where the seam is, and we're just gonna do a couple basting stitches across here. Just going across, okay? Okay, once you've made your basting stitches on the seam line of your cuff, you're going to start stitching around your entire cuff, like making like little stitch loops around the edge where it's ripped there. And you're probably just going to leave about like a 1/4 inch in between and just keep going till you reach the end of your cuff. So you start from the seam and then you end on the seam line. And then from there, I'll tell you what to do next. Oh, the music's on. Oops. Okay, so we made it to the end of your cuff here. We went all the way around. So I just did like a couple more loops where the seam was, where we started. I just kind of went in and out a couple more times, just so that that's secure. Because like we're not doing any ties, right? We're not making any knots. So we're gonna tuck our thread inside our sleeve here. Just gonna do this, and then we'll snip it, and then we're just gonna get a longer thread. Cut this thread, cut it close, and then we're gonna thread our needle again with more thread. That's a lot of thread in one sentence. Okay, so now we're gonna do 2 arms lengths width again to know how much thread to get, because I'm just worried I don't want there to be not enough thread, you know? So I want to make sure that that we can go all the way around the cuff without running out of thread. So you thread your needle again for the second time in your darning needle and just leaving a little tail there. We're not double threading it, remember? And then we're gonna go, then we're gonna go back. Actually, I don't think that we need, that's probably good. Let's just do like an arm and a half length, because it seemed like 2 arms were like too long. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna retrace our steps here. So now we're gonna go backwards. Let's just start here on the seam, because that's where it's nice. So we can go in and out a couple times to secure your thread. Make sure that it's not going anywhere. And then we'll go back and make like a crisscross pattern, okay? Okay, so starting, we went this way, right? Clockwise. So now we're gonna go back. We're gonna go counterclockwise. Okay, so thread is going in at the bottom here. So we did like, see, there's a little cross here. So then the thread is gonna come around in here, starting in the next thread at the bottom. So we're gonna go in there, and then it'll just come out on the other side, right? And the thread will just do like an X pattern, like that. See, that's what we want. Okay, so then next one, in here, and out. Making that X pattern, crisscross motion, okay? So let's continue on then with, so now we're going counterclockwise, we're going backwards, going all the way around again, your cuff. And I'll meet you back on the other side when we're here. Okay, so you've come to the end here. So now this is what it looks like. Just did a crisscross here to prevent your sweater cuff from continuing to rip and make just a big hole like that. So now that we're at the seam here, ending it off, I'm just gonna go around a couple more times, just like around the cuffling here, with the thread that we have left, just to make sure that it's secure here. And then you're probably just gonna wanna, okay, I'm gonna go one more. Just like this. One more over the edge. And then we're just gonna go, let's just do a couple stitches down here in the seam, so that it's more hidden, so you can't really see it because it is white thread. So we're just gonna do this, couple stitches in here. Hopefully you won't see it as much as you would, because it's white thread here, right? Actually, you know what? We should just go down all the way, really, until the thread is out, because look at how much thread we have left. We don't have a lot of thread left. So I hope that you did 2 arms lengths worth for both threads. So like for the thread going around the first time and the thread going back around the second time, you're gonna need 2 arms lengths for both times around, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, okay. I think that's good. Like, I trust it. Go a little bit more further deep. Might as well, you know, because then now this thread is really not coming out because we're not doing a knot. We're not tying it off or anything. We're just hiding the thread. And I'm just going to snip it right there. That's good enough. Okay. There you go. Da, 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 da. See? So there is your new cuff. You can tell where it was, you know, a little bit coming apart, but, you know, you can go over a little bit more if you want here, because this is where the rips were to begin with. But yeah, there you go. And then do the same to the other side, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, congratulations everyone, you made it to the end of the video. So that means I hope you did the tutorial and you've repaired or mended your, what is this? Your cuffs on your sweater that were ripping up there. It's kind of like a little, like a redesign too, you know? Like you're mending it, but you're also redesigning it because now your cuffs have these cool little crisscrosses with white fabric on it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out this video. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and let me know which other alteration videos you're interested in that I have not yet posted or made or anything yet. Yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Talk to you guys later in the next video. Have a stupendous day, ride the wave, and stay hydrated.